Hi guys, welcome to Get Humanities and Social Science YouTube channel. Guys, in this video, I'll answer some question of my viewers. I thought if I answer this question, it will be really helpful for you because this question are very relevant. Okay, so that is why I am making this video. Okay, so guys, I think all the answers of this question will be useful and helpful for you guys. Okay, let's start. I think you can see my laptop interface and cursor also. So guys, first of all, I want to answer this question of Asutosh. uh, Asutosh asked me to upload a video about how to make SOP. So, what is SOP? SOP is statement of purpose. Okay, where you have to tell about some information about your area of interest, your academic background, why you want to join that program, why you are choosing that particular IIT. So this type of information you have to provide in that writings. Okay, and Asutosh, thank you for asking this question. How to make SOP. I will make a complete detailed video about it. Actually, I have some work in my IIT, so that is why I am now unable to make it. But sure, I'll make a video about SOP, and that is very important because uh, uh, and like the students who are want to fill up the form, please wait for your get scorecard. Those really want to go for PhD program in IIT, I want to tell you please wait for some days when you will get scorecard. Okay, in PDF format. So it will be important document and you have to upload it during your application. So thank you Ashutosh. Okay, so one question already I have answered. Now I want to answer second question. And one second. Gayatri. Gayatri, thank you. This is very relevant question for your application. Gayatri actually she is telling, sir, when will you make a video on SOP or SOR? Do you have to submit proposal while filling form only? Yes. So for your next question, the answer is yes. You have to upload SOR. Okay. Some IIT will ask for SOR. Already I have mentioned about it. Some IIT like IIT Delhi, IIT Bombay, IIT Madras. Okay. So you have to make a proper informative SOR. Okay, and you have to fill up. Okay, during your application you have to upload that as a PDF format. Okay, but in IIT Madras there is different scenario. You have to write like in docs format. Okay, so you cannot upload that like as a PDF. Okay, so you have to write, okay, during your application. Okay, in doc format. Okay, so thank you for this type of question, Gayatri. This is very useful. Okay, this is very useful. Even this video will be really helpful for other candidates also. Okay, so next I want to go next. Like, one second. So another question. Another question, this is about MA admission. Yes, I will answer this question and wait for a moment. Yes, this question is from Sana Khanam. Sana is asking like, when will NIT Rourkela admission start for MA developmental studies? Actually, development studies. Okay, so it's okay, no problem. And thank you, Sana, for asking this type of question. This is a very relevant question. Okay, and now I will answer this question. Like, actually, after IIT admission procedure, when IIT complete their admission process, during that time all NIT published their notification. Okay, because all the students of our country, actually they want to take admission in technical department. Okay, their first choice is IIT, and everyone knows that every son of IAS, IPS, every son of like some from other higher officials, okay, of our country, and the students from very lower economical background, okay, the students who are dreaming big, okay, who are dreaming big, like me. I am also from a farmer background. Okay, so all the students like me and others, okay, so their first choice always will be like IIT first. So IIT uh, announced all the applications first. After that, when their admission procedure will start, after that, when it is complete, okay, when it is completed, like after some time, all the NITs published their notification. So NIT Rourkela will publish MA in development studies. Okay, after some time of like PhD or MA admission in IIT. Okay, so and IIT authority knows it very well, and NIT authorities also knows it very well, because uh, all the NIT know that like all the students who are getting like higher rank, they always like they always go to want to go to in IIT first. Okay, so Sana, I think you are getting some sense from my answer. So thank you for asking this question. Okay, so I want to go to next question. Next question is from Mehar. Mehar or Mihar. I don't know your name pronunciation of your name. Okay, don't worry. Sorry for that. And now I will tell about your question. I will answer this question. So this question from Mehar, and I think C is asking about, what about the students who have qualified GATE HSS with good score, okay, and how do they get admission in MA program? And Mehar, already I have made like more than 6 and 7 videos for MA program. Okay, there are several IITs and NIT, they are offering MA in admission. Okay, MA in admission. Okay, so you can apply with good score. If you have good score in GATE, you can apply for MA in development studies. And I am telling you guys, there is no specific program like university, like MA in history, MA in sociology, MA in psychology, okay, MA in economics. So some IIT have specific facility during about their program, MA program, masters program. But most of the IIT, they are offering like a program in humanities and social science department, like all the programs, most of the programs, not all, but most of the program like are interdisciplinary program. Okay, so Mehar, already I have made different videos about MA admission. You can go for it. Already I have upload a video about MA admission updates, you can go for it, and I will show you some like information how you can get my MA admission videos. Okay, so I think this information will be really helpful. And one information I am to uh, let you know, like, that is like most of the IIT, like they are offering interdisciplinary program. You should know it very well. And uh, please care, just I want to give this information because most of the student, they are asking like they want to MA in economics. Okay, so MA in MSc only those who have like JAM score, IIT JAM economics score. IIT JAM is a master level entrance exam. IIT JAM economics is there. Economic subject is there. Okay, and you can go for it if you like. If you appear in this exam for 2022, you can go for like MSc in economics. Okay, because actually IIT JAM exam is specifically for like basic science, like physics, chemistry, mathematics, and biology. Now two subjects are there like geology. One is geology related, geography related subject geology, and economics. Okay, so the students who are from economics background, they can go for this exam. Very important, interesting exam. Okay, because IIT, there are some IIT who actually this type of institutes, like they are offering MSc in economics. So if you have JAM score, so you can go for it. But GATE exam actually generally for technical exam. But this time IIT GATE authority, like they are giving opportunity to pursue some masters, interdisciplinary masters program, and PhD program. Okay, so already I have published a video about IIT Kanpur, so I think that will be really helpful. Okay, so I think this information is very useful information. Now I'll show you this. Okay, I think this will be really helpful, guys. This, look, this is like MTech admission, MA MTech MSc admission. Already, like I have made 15 videos regarding your queries. Okay, so guys, when you will go to my YouTube channel, you will see, okay, you will see my playlist, and look, there is 15 video, sorry, there are 15 videos. Okay, so guys, there are 15 videos, and you can explore all this video. Look guys, one more, look, MA MTech admission. When you will go to my YouTube channel, you have to check my YouTube channel, and you will see, look, you will see this, MA MTech admission. Okay, already there are like you will get 15 videos. And if you want to get PhD notification, okay, look, there are already like you will get 9 videos for like PhD notification. Okay, if you want to know about like PhD opportunities for humanities and social science, you can go for it. If you want to know like cognitive science, already I have made a complete detailed video, okay, for cognitive science. You have to go to my YouTube channel. Okay, so you will see this type of playlist. Okay, already I have created this playlist because you will get all the video at a time. So I think you have to explore all these videos. When you will watch, okay, you will get some sense, you will get idea, you will get every information about uh, humanities and social science program. And I am making this video only for like humanities and social science, because there is no information. Okay, there is no information for humanities and social science background specific. Okay, there are many YouTube channels, they are like offering some information. Okay, for like some information for like sociology, some like information about English and psychology, but there is no YouTube channel, okay, like who is offering okay, for all information about humanities social science candidate. Guys, I am doing my MTech from IIT Bombay, and I thought I am getting fellowship from central government MHRD fellowship, but all the money, okay, that I am getting, it is coming from like tax of our uh, people of our country, the people of our country. It is coming from the people of our country. Okay, so it's my duty to help you, because I am getting like money from the people like all of you. Okay, so and your family also. So I thought I can help you, because uh, I have some so I have completed like B.Ed program. Okay, you know what is B.Ed. Okay, so I have always interest about in teaching. Okay, I have interest in teaching. So I have completed like a B.Ed program, that is a bachelor in education after my MSc. Okay, during that time I have uh, gone through different humanities and social science subject like education, sociology, psychology, and so on. Okay, so that is why I am making this video. Okay, I think um, it will be really helpful. Okay, so guys, please share this video with your friends. Now I'll go for some other question I want to answer. Look, here is another question, and this is very useful question, and this is from like Vinay Tamar. Okay, Vinay Tamar, thank you for asking this type of question. This is very useful question. Sir, sorry, he is telling like, sir, my all India rank is 132 and get score like 532. Okay, 532. So get score is 532, category is T. So what can I do with this score? uh, MA, please tell me. So Vinay, you have lot of opportunity. Okay, you have lot of opportunity. uh, Actually you have not mentioned what is your background. Okay, so just I don't know what is your background, if you are from psychology, sociology, history, okay, economics and commerce, and whatever the subject you have. Okay, so if you are from humanities and social science background, if any of the from any of the branch of humanities and social science background, so I will tell you, you have huge opportunity if you are from economics, sociology, and psychology background. Okay, if you are from any of this branch, okay, so you will get a sure call. I am telling you, you will get a sure call. Okay, I sure you will get a call from IIT. Okay, for all MA admission. Okay, but you should know it very well. MA program is one type of interdisciplinary program. It is not like your university. Always I am telling you guys, it is not like your university. Okay, it is not like your university degree. Okay, univer okay, okay, it is not like your university degree. Okay, it is not like your university degree. So in university you are well familiar with like MA in English, MA in psychology, MA in zoology, botany, physiology, MA in history. But in IIT there is no such type of program. Very few IIT actually they are offering this type of program like MA in MSc in economics, like you will get it in IIT Delhi. But you have to appear for it like in IIT GATE, sorry, IIT JAM exam. Okay, so JAM means it is one type of exam for basic science like physics, chemistry, biology. Okay, so JAM the full form of jam. What is jam? IIT jam, like the full form joint admission test, one type of. Okay, so so you know it very well. Okay, you can explore this. Just I am giving a very basic information. So I think this information will be really helpful, and please share this video with your friends. And now I'll give you this. So I want to answer this question really, because look, this is a question from Paramjit Singh. Okay, so thank you, Paramjit, for asking this type of question. Actually, he's asking like, will people get with low gate score also get a stipend in PhD? I will tell you, yes. Already I have answered. Okay, yes, people will get a stipend with low gate score. If you have talent, though, if you have a low gate score, if you have talent, you can go for it. You have to prove yourself in front of this panel of IIT. Okay, that will be big selection process. Whether you are coming whatever your background, like reserve category background, other reserve category background, whatever your background, don't worry about that. And you have to prove yourself, because you have to face very critical interview. Okay, so they will ask you what you have. Okay, so you have to face that interview. Okay, so I think this information will be really helpful. And one another question, like he is asking, like, get humanity, like, is stipend applicable in state university? As per my knowledge, like, I'll say no, because gate exam is like MHRD supported exam. Okay, so all the student who will take admission like in MA, guys, one more important information I have to share with you. That is like IIT Dhanbad. Okay, this institute IIT Dhanbad is offering like humanities. They are offering a program under the Department of Humanities and Social Science. The name of the program is like, what is the name of, already I have made a video now. What is the name of the program? Like MTech program in what is that, social media and culture. Okay, so name of the program is social media and culture. So the students who will take admission in this IIT, they surely they will get one 12,400 rupees. Okay, so it is not for your state university. Okay, but if the program, like they have MTech program, they have MTech program, and the program is MHRD supported. Okay, so you will get money. Okay, so I think this information will be really helpful. uh, okay, now I want to proceed next question. Okay, so here is another question, and this is from like Amit Kumar. So Amit, I will answer your question. And like he is asking, like, sir, is economics PhD in IIT Kanpur not offering in this year? uh, Amit, I want to tell you, like, yes, uh, yes means like IIT Kanpur is offering. Okay, IIT Kanpur is and IIT Kanpur is offering like PhD program. Okay, already I have made a video about it. I have uploaded it. So I think this information will be really helpful. Okay, so IIT Kanpur is offering a PhD program in cognitive science. Cognitive science, you can go for it if you are from psychology background, cognitive science. Okay, so I think this information will be really helpful. Cognitive science. Okay, one, this is one. And two, second opportunity is you can go for humanities and social science department for PhD program. And next you can go for Next, you can go for management department for PhD program. If you are from economics, management department, okay, management department, you can go for it. Okay, so these are the three department, the humanities and social science background candidate, those who have like gate score, very good gate score and low gate score, they can apply in this IIT in Kanpur. So I think this information will be really helpful. Now this is my final question. This is from Abhishek Kumar, and I will I will answer this question. I will answer this question. This question is from like Abhishek Kumar, like he is asking about, you are doing a great work for HSS students. Thank you. Uh, Thank you, Abhishek, for your compliment. Okay, so he is also telling me like, I am undergraduate student of BA program, economics and commerce. How is it possible? Okay, it's okay. Commerce means some subjects you have that are related to economics. Okay, so that is why I think that is why you are telling like economics commerce. Okay, it's okay, no problem. Business mathematics, business economics is there in commerce. Okay, so you are doing BA program at Delhi University. Good, very good, Abhishek. So what are the opening for economic students in PSU? And for PSU, I will tell you like PSU, they are like they have proposed they will take some students from HSS department. Okay, that is why some IIT is offering like some new program. Okay, so I think uh, after some years, after 2 and 3 years, the process will be started. Okay, so and then you are asking like, what can economic students do after cracking gate? You have lot of opportunities. Always I am telling you, you have lot of opportunities when you will get a gate scorecard. Okay, so gate exam is one of the prestigious exam. Okay, because IIT means everything in our country. Okay, so there is another prestigious exam, that is civil service, very prestigious exam in the service domain, who are like want to do something for for our uh, social service. Okay, so they can go for it. Okay, very important opportunities are there. Okay, they will work for the people. Okay, so very important. Okay, so but if you want to do if you want to do things very well in IIT, you can go for IIT. Okay, because IIT is the best. Okay, IIT is the best. There is no other institute better than IIT. But I will tell you one name, that is IIC Bangalore. This is a very unique institute, okay, unique institute, IIC Bangalore, for research. Okay, these are collateral. Okay, like IIT Bombay, IIT Madras, IISc Bangalore, these are like same category institute as the level. So I think this information will be really helpful. Okay, so this is all about today. Thank you guys, all the best. Tada, bye bye from my side. Jai Hind, Bande Mataram.